Hello there, Heineberg family. It's Miss Hess coming to you from the library. It sure is strange here at school. I think I'm one of the only people in the building, and it's kind of lonely in this big old library without my kids in here. So, probably like you are starting to feel, I am really missing people in my life. I miss my students, I miss my family, I miss my friends, I miss my colleagues. Colleagues means people that you work with. Yeah, we are all missing each other. Yet, we are still all together. We're so lucky that we have technology. We can see our teachers, and we can talk to our families over the computer. That's pretty lucky, isn't it? Anyway, today I have a book to share with you. I think it really goes very well with what we're going through in our world right now. It's called All of Us by Karen Berger. And I'm sorry about the reflection, but it gets better when I open the book. This story really spoke to my heart, and I hope that it will bring you a good day today. When your heart is heavy, and your step unsure, when the winds are wild, and the path unclear. Kind of means we don't know where we're going, right? Don't fear the night, so dark and vast. Or the hazy future. Or the stormy past. She's just telling us to stay in the day, right? Stay in the now. Know that I am here, as steady as a stone. We're stronger together. Than we are alone. Boy, we've really found that out, haven't we? We need each other. We need our friends. Hope and light will always prevail. Prevail means this always be first. Hope and light. For love wins. And that's just a couple of pages of just lots of loving right there, right? Love wins. Love will never fail. And I just love this last illustration that the author has done. It really shows us that this whole world is linked together. We all need